This is Bailey. She loves me. Bite me. Bite my nose. Bite the bridge of my nose. Yay! I love you. Are you a good bird? Are you a good bird? I'm listening to music at the same time because, you know. Do you love me? Are you sure? Give me your beak. This is my beak now. My beak. Give it to me. Meow. Ralph. Ralph. She's being gentle. Do you love me? Do you know to be gentle? What if I punch you? What if I punch you like that? What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? What if I punch you with that finger? If I do a low cut and a high cut? What you gonna do? Yeah, you're funny. Give me that toe. That's my foot. I'm gonna eat it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is Bailey. She's a red-bellied parrot. She's a female, so she doesn't have a red belly. And they don't have red bellies. They have orange red bellies or reddish orange. They're from Africa. Are you an African bird? I always forget if you're from East or West Africa. Yeah, that's my problem.